The introduction has already been made by Professor Atul Sood. As far as the Federation of Central Universities is concerned, it was the month of October 2018 that we had done a press conference and did a press release which had forced the then Minister of Education, Javadekar, to give a tweet which categorically said that we have neither put any restrictions nor intended to put any restrictions on freedom of speech in JNU, Delhi University, or any other university in the country. But was it true? It was a blatant lie. Yes, the charge sheet given then was taken back. In another form, it has come back again this year. So we have to realize that this is not only happening in Delhi University or JNU, it is happening at Motihari, it is happening in Nagaland, it is happening in Jharkhand, all over the country. On behalf of the Federation of Central University Teachers Association, all the constituents of the Federation have condemned the charge sheeting of the 48 teachers in JNU. In complete solidarity, I would say 48 may be a misnomer, I think the attack is not on the 48 or the 200 cases, it is on the higher education system in the country itself. You know, we have friends from Vishwa Bharati here and friends from Jamia on the other corner. Today's press conference, according to me, is only highlighting what we have been saying for so many years. If what we are going to speak, what we are going to teach, how we are going to teach is being told or is being directed by the government, that would be the saddest day in the history of education in this country. And there is only one way out, according to me. And the way is that what intellectuals can do is to raise it and bring it out of the campus again onto the streets. So yes, it is an attack on JNU and the teachers of JNU, but this is also an attack on all of us, all, I can't say right thinking, all thinking citizens of the country, and on the citizens of the country per se. We are all with JNU in this hour of crisis, and I am sure, and I'm very sure, it is only a matter of time, because vice chancellors today, whatever their names may be, in whichever university they are honest agents of the government. Give that to them. Give that to them, that they are only lackeys of the people in power. And they will only listen to what they are being told. And as far as we are concerned, as teachers, we cannot give away our right to think, our right to speak, our right to criticize. Lord Curzon had failed, and whoever is running the country will also fail if any attempts or all attempts will fail to curb us. So I am very sure the numbers over here are not the numbers that we represent. Our students are our strength. Our pens are our strength. Our tongue is our strength. We have to believe in it, and I think our brain is also our strength. We have to believe in it and take it against all powers that they are trying to curb us. With this, I will only say, we are with you, and all of us are with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajib.